Hey there! I am so excited that you found my YouTube channel. I want to introduce myself, and I also want to introduce this pretty lady. So my name is Casey Stone. I am a licensed general contractor. I am an interior designer with a background in architecture, and I love to save old homes. The other introduction that you need is the Hyatt House. This beauty is the second oldest home in my hometown, which is Washington, North Carolina. The Hyatt House was built in 1785. That's before the U.S. Constitution was ratified. And as I said, second oldest house in town. This very pretty house next door is the oldest house in town. And then one more down the street, and you've got the three oldest houses in Washington. So I hope that you will follow along as we restore the Hyatt House. Okay, folks, so since I was here last, we had a whole lot of cleaning out done. So let's go check it out, see if it looks better or worse without all that stuff. I think these hardwoods are going to turn out really well. A little bit of wear right there. Yeah, these are going to be great too. Let's see what we can do to repurpose some of these old lights. I'm definitely going to get rid of that old stove. I don't know if I mentioned this on the other video. This is the biggest door I've ever seen. It's really wide. It's basically like another third. Oh, right. Also, we got rid of this old water heater that was here. That's exciting. It already looks better back here. Yeah, so much better. Definitely going to try to salvage that top and maybe that whole metal cabinet. I don't know about that. We'll see. So we're cleaner up in here. Check out that old wiring. I think that needs to be updated. Maybe just a little bit. Old sink I salvaged from another job. Gonna see if we can work it into here. These floors look pretty good. And we got a patch there. Figure out what that's about. But if we can't patch it there, if we can't save it, we'll patch it from somewhere else. Okay. That would be a meat cleaver. Don't know why that's in this house, but okay. This, at first I thought it was leather, but I actually think it's old. Yeah, I think it's old linoleum. It's actually not that too bad of a patch, so we can definitely fix that, no problem. Lumber from Draper on Main that we didn't need. Now, here's where it's a mess. The floors in here are bad. So all of these floors have got to come up That corner over there looks pretty good. And this over here looks pretty good under this lumber. So what I'm probably gonna do is cut that up and save it for this project or maybe another project. And all this has gotta go. But as the plan stands now, this is gonna become the kitchen. So hey, if you're gonna lose hardwoods, a kitchen and a bathroom are not bad places to lose it. Check out, we had some of this before in another room, but oh, this floor is so bad. I mean, look at this, it's just coming apart. Check out all these pecans. I think the squirrel family's been living in here for a while. I'm not sure, honestly, that we should be walking on this floor because I could probably go through it at any minute. Check out, I mean, that's like something out of a horror movie or an old movie in an old house. Something hung there a very long time. I'd love to know what it was and where it is. But believe it or not, this actually looks pretty good. This looks a lot better than it did before we cleaned it out. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. You guys know I love wallpaper, but I don't think we can save that. I love that little detail there. All right, upstairs. Believe it or not, the second floor was the best part of this house when we started. So I don't think we're gonna see a lot of difference up here. Here you can tell, so these are, I wouldn't call them narrow plank, but maybe 3-inch planks. And this is a floor that was put over the original. This would be an original floor. Those are 12 to 14-inch planks. And I can't wait to see how these are gonna finish up. We got plaster in here. Someone has sheetrocked the ceilings, or not sheetrock, plywooded the ceilings. I think I'll probably upgrade that lighting. Probably gonna upgrade. Good little size room. All right, we are getting a little bit of moisture in here. They are pressure washing those windows. And it's a wee bit wet on the floor. So I'll let the guys know about that over here as well. Actually, it's a good time for us to figure out that we're getting water through those windows. All right, here's another room. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a great example of where you can see just how crooked these walls are. Now, local legend has it that the captain that built this house built it this way so that he would feel like he was inside his ship. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but I'm gonna stick with it. There's another one of those really safe electrical issues that we're definitely going to want to address. So here's an old bathroom. Obviously this is not original because they didn't have indoor bathrooms in the 1780s. Probably done in the 40s. Check out that old tub. We can make that tub look amazing. So I don't know if it's gonna stay in this bathroom. We're definitely gonna keep that tub. I'm also intrigued by that hook. And I love this medicine cabinet. Definitely gonna find a way to save that. See if there's anything inside. Nope, nothing inside. Love it. All right, what do you think? Ready to go up to the 3rd floor? This is where I can't wait to start doing some demo and see what's happening up here. Okay, so my uncle has decided that he thinks that this was open at one time, that there was a handrail there, and you can see that here's where the hardwood floors were. Not gonna lie, totally gonna throw a hammer through there, see what I can find, because it would really change the feel of this space if we can open that up. Okay, getting a little water up here too, but that's okay. We're gonna sort that out. All right, this looks so much better because there was so much stuff in here. Still loving these floors. Let me give you a reference. That is a size 9 shoe. That's a big plank right there. There are these little tiny closets. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep those or tear them out. There's some holes in the ceiling up here. Can't wait to investigate what's up there. It looks like a lot of space, which would be great if we could make this room a good bit taller. And then we got another room in here. So, looks really great. This is the window where Captain Hyatt was supposed to be looking out, or his ghost, looking for his ship. Now it looks towards the ice cream shop. But he was looking out this window when little Margaret and Elizabeth were laying here in their bed and saw his ghost. Let's hope we don't see his ghost today. And I guess the best thing about this house is the history, but the second best thing, and I don't know if you can see it because we've cleaned the windows, but yeah, the windows are all wet, but that is an amazing view of the water. So anyway, Hyatt House, all cleaned out, ready to make a mess in it again. Stay tuned to see what comes next.